so what was the biggest outcome for you from the whole experience?
Oh God, it really, really surprised me. And like I knew a lot of the stuff logically on a very high level of how important it is, especially from your personal brand narrative to storytell and to share yourself in order to connect with us and draw the right people to you. I knew that on a logical level, but like doing this, it hit me on a very, very emotional level where like, oh God, this is actually true. Like this actually works because man, the quality of conversation I had afterwards, it was hours afterwards, lots of people, and I'm not complaining because it was such lovely feedback, and I got a lot of energy, even though I was exhausted, but I got a lot of energy from those conversations because people were opening themselves up to me as well, and I'm like, oh man, this is good stuff.
Yeah.
So if anything, don't edit yourself, and you also don't know what's going to resonate with people or what thread somebody's going to. Everybody came up to me, said something different.
Yeah.
It wasn't one thing,
What was that wonderful quote that I stole from you that I've now forgotten, which was basically the power of your voice or when you're comfortable?
Yeah, you need to tell your story in your voice and in a way that's comfortable for you. I mean, it's you can't delegate it. I know people want to keep delegating stuff out. This is something you cannot delegate. It has to be you, and you have to be comfortable. I think that's again most important.
Yeah.